Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser, and in this video I will show you how to reverse image search on your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to this particular sidebar right here. Click on this particular camera icon right here. Click on that, and this is going to pop up right here. Then you have different options right here. You can either drag and drop an image right here, or click on here to upload a file, or better still, you can paste the link to a particular image right here for image pass. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to just drag and drop an image right here. So I'm going to bring out one of my folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead to my download folder right here. All right, so this particular, so right here, I'm going to go ahead. I will just go ahead and upload a picture right here. Let's say, for instance, this particular zebra right here is the picture I want to pass on Google. What we want to do is to go ahead and drag the picture down into the Chrome browser right here, just like what you see, uploading, and in a few seconds, you are going to see a result based on that particular image you upload on your Google browser. You can see a similar result of that particular image right here. Now, what you get right there is that you get every area whereby that particular image has been uploaded so far across the web, whether on Google Chrome or on Edge browser or what have you. So you're going to have all the links to that particular image. So you can go ahead and click on show more right there. This will allow you to see more detail about the picture. You can see zebras are mama belonging to the horse family. So these are just narrative about that particular image by Google. You can scroll down right here and check out some of the visual match. However, this depends on the type of image you upload on your Chrome browser. That will give you the kind of result you are going to have right here as far as this is concerned. Now, we can further edge our search right here. We can go ahead and click on exact match right here. So we click on exact match, it will give you exactly what you upload, and it tell you where and some of the area where you can get that particular picture. So this one here, you can get it on Unsplash, and it has been given about 1 month ago. This one, it was uploaded on Instagram about 2 weeks ago. This one here is uploaded about 5 years ago on Unsplash, and then you can scroll down and check on more detail about where so those pictures can be found on internet. People are also using it on YouTube. So the more you scroll down, the more you see details about that particular image as far as this particular Google image reverse search is concerned. Let's, for instance, we want to trace this particular picture to a particular website. So let's, for instance, we click on this first link right here, exact match. Then we have the picture right here on this particular website. Then we can get detail about the picture right here. So we can go ahead and click on free download. It is a free page anyway, as far as this is concerned. So let's go back to point right here. Now we can go ahead and check if it's a product image that you upload. Go ahead and click on product, then you will be told where exactly you can buy that particular product on web. So you can see this point right here, it's a product, and then visual match. This will give you different exact visual match of that particular image. So about this image, this will tell you detail about the image. Similar images are at least 10 years old, just like so. It's that simple. So you can go on and trace the revolution of that particular image that you upload. And basically, this is how to do image reverse search on your Chrome browser. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.